Let's continue on with drawing using coordinates. Let's get rid of everything that we've drawn so far. So we're going to say erase, E, enter, and then all, A-L-L, and then enter to get out of the command. And let's save this as coordinate tutorial -B. So we're going to save as, and then coordinate tutorial B. And we're going to create the figure that's shown in the book using relative polar coordinates. We're going to start at point A. And I don't really care where I start my first point because relative coordinates don't care. They care about where that last point chosen is. So I'll just click somewhere here. And we are going to go from A to B, which is off horizontal to the right by 6 units. So relative 6 angle, 0. And then up by 5 units, relative 5 angle 90. And then over to the left by 3, so relative 3 angle 180. Then down 4, relative 4 angle -90. So in the last one I used 270, but you can also use -90. And then over 2 angle 180. Then up by 2, relative 2 angle 90. Over to the left by 1 angle 180, and then back to the bottom. So we can type, we don't have to type in the coordinate or the relative coordinate. We can just say close, C, enter, and it'll close it. So you can see drawing with relative coordinates is really fast and easy. So let's save this and go on to the next part of the tutorial.